If you are a beginner in the web development and want to start freelancing but unsure how to get your first freelance project, then you are at the right place. Today I will tell you how to start freelancing as a web developer and get your first project. I will show you how I began freelancing using my web development skills and got my first client on the three of the best marketplaces. These are Freelancer, Fiverr and Upwork. Assalamu alaikum and hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adnan Ahmed. If you are new to my channel, let me briefly introduce myself. I am in software and web development industry since 2004 and currently based in Karachi, Pakistan. Not only I did office jobs, but I am working as a freelancer since 2008 and I worked at freelance marketplaces also. But one important thing, I did not have all the skills at the start which I have today. But I learned many new tools and technologies with time and my skill level improved every day. I have many direct clients to work and I am not very active these days on the marketplaces. But the thing is, I know the struggle I had to do to secure my first web development job on each platform and I will share my experience which will help you. I think it's best to show the real bids and proposal which I send to clients with no hidden truth. So not only if you are starting the freelancing to make money online or even if you already started but didn't get the clients yet, then this video is for you. Okay guys, this is the first job on the freelancer which I secured way back in 2011, and the best thing is I'm still working with this client. Actually it is a design house in the Ireland, and we have worked on a lot of jobs. So this proposal, if you see, the main point was here, which it is saying I have client who want to automate the download of this report and have asked me to make sure that it is the same address every day even though the PDF changes. The address at the moment is whatever the URL and then the ID. So what client wanted, whenever their customer log into their section login area, they can see a URL, and and also this URL was sent in the email also. So they don't want to change that URL every day, so their clients, their customer can bookmark this URL. So this was the project detail. I am showing the proposal which I sent to. Okay, this is my reply to that job. You can see a chat which we had did at that time. I said I had recently solved a very similar problem. My client needs to have the updated banner in the email newsletter, where the banner is updated from the CMS backend of the website. So for your project, the same will go all the time. The client will get the updated report based on the solution I have. So what I try to do, I actually tried to provide the information. Okay, I understand what is the problem and I am going to provide the solution. Here is my solution. Now thing is, it actually didn't work this way. We have done something else after, and actually we totally changed this project. As I said, I am working for this client for last 10 years now. So there are a lot of changes, but I'm trying to tell you, you try to understand what you have to do and tell it to the client. And once the client came into chat with you on any platform, then there are a lot of chances you can secure the job. So this is the purpose which I did here. So you can see I then got the reply of that client telling them further details, and then I tell her that what I am going to do, and if we go down, then I just secured this job, and it was achievement at that time because I was struggling to get work, and I got this job. If I can show you how much I earned for this job, actually my bid was very low at that moment, somewhere around, yeah, it is $45. Then we finished at dollar 345 USD. So that was great. On Fiverr, we actually have a mechanism of sending buy request, which when I started on Fiverr, maybe around 2017, I sent a lot of requests to the buyers. It is allowing, I think, about 10 request, so I try to send all those 10 in a day. Okay, first job which I secured on the Fiverr by sending the buy request, I'm showing you what was the client requirement. He was saying, I need help with my WordPress website. When I paste a link to my social media site like Facebook, my WordPress blog article say page not found, but the link does work. So what I figure out at that moment, okay, I sent this reply. Hi, I guess the issue is with somewhere in the HTTP file, so it is denying Facebook. Send me the details to look into. Thanks. Okay, now what happened in this job, actually I tried to understand what was the problem, and I said it, maybe it is the HTXS, there may be some rule in the HTXS which is denying to reach the page in the Facebook. After that, when started, I found out it was actually the Facebook cache. But the thing is, I got that job and I did it, and client was happy, and after that he came back for, I guess, 3 to 4 more jobs. Okay, next one which I want to show, I don't actually remember which I got from here and which actually came directly to me. Okay, there is one other. Okay, what this client wanted, I need someone to change the current send button from send button from pop-up maker plugin into theme style button. The pop-up that is shown has an ugly button on the website is an example of the style of the button of the theme. So he was using some pop-up plugin, and the button is not very good. So I understand the problem and I quickly write it back. Hi, yep, this can be made theme style with CSS. Share the details of the website to start. Thanks. So I said him, yes, I can make it to look same like the theme using the CSS. So he came back and gave me the job, and we started, and I actually done couple of job with him also. Okay, one other I want to show related to Fiverr is one client which came directly to me, and what we discussed. And okay, you can see this client came to me, can you fix these 2 issues? Where are their cookies on my WP site which make Chrome prompted as a insecure? Click link to see. Okay, that was the link. I checked that, and the error message on the FB graph. Please do not uninstall the FB graph. Okay, whatever the problem, I tried to give the solution in the chat, and this was a direct client coming to me, and she gave me the project. Okay, so these were Freelancer and Fiverr. Now lastly, I want to show the Upwork. What was my first job? Okay, so this client come with some custom coding, custom post type. He write me, this project is for WordPress. I've created a custom post type called banners. The banners have custom meta boxes. These are your etc, etc, and etc. I need to query the banner and have it display the featured image only in a specific place. So you can actually pause the video here and read it all what he asked, and here was the reply which I sent to him. Actually what I did, I had done some custom coding also, so I sent the screenshot also with the description here in the cover letter. As per your request, yes, I can develop a query which based on custom meta conditions will select the required banner, and it is okay if you want to provide the test FAQ or give me the zip of themes and files, and I can do it on my local. Then other question, have you worked with custom post types and queries? and are able to create a function that can be placed in that type of file. Yes, I had worked on custom post type previously. Then I'm sharing some custom screenshots. Okay, one other thing which I had done, I actually made some screenshots of different things which I've done, that was code, or I'm using some plugin. Someone came with the request to plugin, I show him some backend dashboard, mostly the WordPress dashboard. I sent that screenshot of dashboard with the proposal or cover letter which I was sending to the clients. I'm doing this till day. Okay, and then this job was awarded. So these are three platforms: Freelancer, Fiverr and Upwork, where I started my freelancing and secure my jobs. You can try this, try to provide the solution, try to provide the screenshots, or you can actually create a video of anything you had done previously. So this will help you to secure the job quickly. Okay guys, this was my recipe for getting clients. It may or may not work for you, but the idea is to provide enough information to the client in the first place that you understand their problem and provide the solution. If you work on the same lines, you can start freelancing on Freelancer, Fiverr and Upwork using any skills you have. If you like today's video, then give me a thumbs up and share with others. I am signing off until the next video. Bye.